getting higher and higher. I didn't use my personal essence, instead opting to direct the unrefined and corrupted loose essence in
Looks good, Richard.
into the creature. Cal! What are you doing? It will explode! Or worse!
Does that look like it's extending too far on those? Because they were long words. That looks good. No, that's perfect, man.
No intelligence and drifted slowly around. This is where I came into the picture.
I want to yell.
I imposed my
Richard is our programmer for Wicked Tactical and Fright Club. Awesome, Richard.
Dale hurried toward the dungeon and soon discovered the concern.